Hello everyone, today I have a review, or better to say a comparison of two Chinese folding knives, this time from the YOUSUNLONG company. Both knives come in a nice wooden boxes and have leather sheets with a snap. First of them, total length is 19.5 centimeters, blade length is 8.3 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters. Blade steel is forged Damascus with above 73 layers of high and low carbon steel, tempered to approx 60 HRC. The finish of Damascus is leather pattern. The name of the YOUSUNLONG company here, and the inscription Damascus steel are on the blade. Opening with that fuller. The handle scales are made of bullhorn. Damascus finished ferrules. Backlock. I like this classic style. Second one. Significantly larger and heavier. Total length is 20.5 centimeters. Blade length is 9 centimeters. Blade thickness is also 2.5 millimeters. Blade steel is also forged Damascus with above 73 layers of high and low carbon steel, tempered to approx 60 HRC. The finish of the blade is with cloth pattern. The name of the YOUSUNLONG company and the description Damascus steel are on the blade. Opening with nail nick. The handle scales are made of black buffalo horn. The ferrules are also finished in Damascus. Slip joint. In summary, both knives are characterized by high elegance, with a stylish box, are a great gift idea for any occasion. Due to its carbon steel, you need to take care of it. A good solution is a sheet that allows you to carry the knife outside of your pocket. It's known that there are knives that like to rust in the pocket. You know, body heat, sweat in summer, temperature difference in winter. The sheet also allows you to avoid this because the knife doesn't have close contact with you thoroughly. I like to carry them. I like classic knives, they are nice to use, although you have to take care of them, but it also has some charm. Clip point and natural materials for the handle are a nice combination, not only for lovers of classics. The company also offers all your pocket knives and kitchen knives. I encourage you to check out all the company's offer, link in the description below the video. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.